The Twitter war between Diljit Dosanjh and Kangana Ranaut has been getting uglier all through Thursday, and a few Bollywood celebrities have come forward in support of the Punjabi singer-actor. As the verbal fight got nasty, actor Angad Bedi, Kubra Seth and Swara Bhaskar posted support for Diljit. Swara Bhaskar tagged Diljit in her post and wrote, "Diljit Dosanjh is a star, Diljit actually." Actress Kubra Seth tweeted, "I love Diljit Dosanjh," end credits. Actor Angad Bedi said, "Aa kitti gal." It all started when Diljit criticized Kangana for misidentifying an elderly Sikh woman who had joined the farmers' protest as Bilkis Bano of Shaheen Bagh. He also shared a video of the elderly lady in question, revealing that she was Mahinder Kaur. Soon Kangana deleted her post but did not refrain from hitting back, calling Diljit filmmaker Karan Johar's pet. Karan Johar's pet, the grandma who was protesting in Shaheen Bagh for her citizenship, the same grandma was seen protesting with the farmers. "I don't even know his Mahinder Kaur. What is this drama? Stop this right now," she tweeted. In another tweet she posted, "Listen you vultures, do not consider my silence as my weakness. I see how you are instigating the innocent by lying to them and are using them. Just like Shaheen Bagh, the truth behind these protesters will be soon out. Then I'll write a brilliant speech and leave your faces black." She signed off as Babbar Sherni. Diljit retaliated, "Are you the pet of all the people you have worked with? Then the list of your bosses must be long. This is not Bollywood, but Punjab. Manipulating people by lying and playing with their emotions is something you know very well." He also asserted that he is not from Bollywood but Punjab and will not take her attack and give it back with more power. At one point he said, "Are you sane?" Kangana responded, "You are a bootlicker, the one you try to please. I take them to task every day. I am Kangana Ranaut, not a bootlicker, like you would lie. I only spoke about the Shaheen Bagh protester. If anyone can prove otherwise, I will apologize." Diljit called Kangana mannerless. "You have no sense how to speak to someone's mother or sister. You are a woman yourself and you are calling another woman would work for ₹100. Our mothers of Punjab are like God to us. You have poked the hornet nest. Google this Punjabi now," he wrote. Soon things took a nasty turn when Kangana again said she was talking about the Shaheen Bagh Dadi. Replying to her, Diljit said, "Oh, such a big fool. We are talking about the elderly woman whose photo you shared and said she protests for ₹100 a day. Did you hear her answer, or do I need to send it you again? Your manipulations will work in Bollywood but not in Punjab." In another tweet he said, "What school taught you to demean people's mothers and sisters and call them labourers who would protest for ₹100? Do they appear to you as ones who would incite violence? Every word you say is like that. What do you want? Did nobody teach you etiquette of speech? Punjabis will teach you how to speak to those who are elder to you," he wrote in one tweet. "A peaceful protest is on. This lady is trying to divert the issue by highlighting nonsensical topics. She is known for this trait. Punjabis know this," he said.